Right, my colleagues Indrajit Kundu and Prema Rajaram are joining me live on this story. Indrajit, I'll come across to you first. A very serious allegation which has been levelled by the TMC delegation that paid a visit to the CEO in Kolkata, saying that there is a deep-rooted conspiracy to take the life of our chairperson. Also going on to say that anti-social elements have been mobilised from neighbouring states into Nandigram by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Well, that's right. These are very serious allegations that have been levelled by the Trinamool Congress delegation which met the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal. And this, of course, comes in the backdrop of the kind of statements that we've seen since yesterday. In fact, the Trinamool Congress is in a huddle. The core committee of the party will meet at 4 o'clock this evening. This even as information trickles in that Mamata Banerjee's campaign-related programs have all been abandoned for now till about March 14th. So Mamata Banerjee, of course, is admitted in, the Woodburn block of the SSKM hospital where she is recuperating. Remember, she's 66 years old, and in this situation, her health condition remains the top concern and priority for the Trinamool Congress. And sources have said that for now, all campaign-related activities of Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram remains halted, and the priority would be given for her to recuperate and get back to field. So how long will that take? Only doctors will be able to say. We are expecting a medical bulletin shortly at the SSKM hospital.
Absolutely. In fact, we are breaking that news right now that all campaign-related programs of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee stand cancelled till the 14th of March. That is some amount of time that the doctors need in order to observe her and, of course, assure themselves that she is fit and fine to possibly get back up on her feet. Indrajit, also, just quickly, a health update. What have the sources in the hospital, the doctors, they've been telling you? We know that the health bulletin is expected. But so far, what do we know?
What we're hearing from sources is that Mamata Banerjee, there is swelling in her left feet, and apparently there is a hairline fracture as well, is what we have given to understand. And she has been administered, painkillers. High dosage of painkillers were administered to her because when she was brought to the SSKM hospital here in Kolkata last night, she was in excessive pain. She has also been administered antibiotics. X-ray and MRI has been conducted on her left feet. She has also complained of chest pain because doctors have told us that she was in trauma when she was brought here after the incident. It's quite a lot of travel also from Nandigram to Kolkata, which she had to undertake after getting injured. And remember, before that incident, Mamata Banerjee was on a whirlwind trip of Nandigram. She conducted a Padayatra first in Haldia. Then she was on a whirlwind trip to all temples, several temples, a dozen of them yesterday. And she has been walking quite a lot. So obviously there would have been some amount of fatigue. And then finally that injury came in. So Mamata Banerjee seemed to be in trauma, and therefore a 9-member medical team at SSKM hospital are continuously monitoring her, and she will be under observation for the next 48 hours.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.